Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. In this math tutorial, we are simplifying an exponential expression. Now let's begin with this denominator. There's this law of exponents that says 1 over a to the power minus m is equal to a to the power m. So we are going to use this law to bring that a to the power minus half up there. So we're going to have a to the power 1 over 6, that is multiplying a to the power 2 over 3, and it's multiplying a to the power 1 over 2. We have used this law to bring this up there. Then we are going to add that 2. On this one, we can rewrite 216 as 6 to the power of 3. A to the power of 4. Right now, we know when the bases are the same, we can add the exponents. So we are going to say a to the power of 1 over 6 plus 2 over 3 plus 1 over 2. Then that's adding to, right, when we are at this part, we can use a law of exponents that says a to the power m, the nth root of that, is given by a to the power m over n. So we are going to write this to the power 1 over 3. So we are going to have 6 to the power of 3, a to the power of 4. All of that is to the power 1 over 3 because of this cube root. Right now we need to add the exponents for this part. We can just do it. Common denominator is 6. Then 6 into 6, that's 1. 3 into 6, that's 2 times 2, get a 4. 2 into 6, that's 3 times 1, we get a 3. So this is going to give us 8 over 6, and that is equal to 4 over 3. Okay, so we're going to put that on the power of a, 4 over 3. So we are going to say a to the power 4 over 3. So this part is done. Now let's move on to the second part. We can use another law of exponents on that. And it says a multiplied by b to the power m is equal to a to the power m multiplied by b to the power m. So this is going to be 6 to the power 3 to the power 1 over 3, a to the power 4 to the power 1 over 3. So we have 6 to the power 3 to the power 1 over 3, and a to the power of 4 to the power 1 over 3 when we use this law of exponents. Now we need to use yet another law of exponents on these two separate entities. It says a to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power mn. So we use it on 6 to the power 3 to the power 1 over 3 and on a to the power 4 to the power 1 over 3. Then we are going to have a to the power 4 over 3 plus 3 is multiplying that. We are going to have 6, and that will be multiplying 4 is multiplying that, a to the power 4 over 3. And if you realize these two terms are alike, so we're just going to add them up, and they will give us 7a to the power 4 over 3. And we have come to the end of this question. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Enjoy your day.